So what have we got here, Trent?
It's got a good old TD42, so just done the fuel service, injectors and the tappets. Had the old standard exhaust, so put on a 3-inch and just the upgraded intercooler, just a replacement one. So just put it back on the dyno and just finish up the tuning.
Oh yeah, it looks nice and shiny. Very good. How we come up with the tuning, the gains and the end?
So this is at the wheels, about 450 newton meters up to 564. So, you know, probably 25% or so in torque, maybe even a bit more. And then even peak power, you know, 79, 80 up to sort of nearly 100, about 25% peak power as well. So
What are we trying to achieve here? Safety. I always say that's the key factor.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we're actually running a bit leaner than it was. So, you know, these are called the kettle. So just keep them running nice and lean and cool, and you don't have any overheating problems.
Thanks, mate. Very good. You're watching for more of these Facebook videos and bits and pieces on looking after your diesel. Look us up at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, wherever you can see Berrima Diesel. There'll be something on there that we're yakking on about.